In a momentous occasion, the National Orthopedic Hospital Igbobi Nursing School welcomed its new cohorts for the 2023-2024 academic year. Minister of Health and Social Welfare, Dr. Tunji Alausa, delivered a stirring speech commending the unwavering support of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Dr. Alausa praised the excellence of Nigerian nurses, asserting they are among the best trained in the world. He highlighted the National Orthopedic Hospital Igbobi, citing data that crowns it as the leading institution in the field. Addressing the matriculating students, Dr. Alausa urged them to approach their education with dedication and perseverance. He reminded the students of the significant investments the country is making in their education and encouraged them to serve Nigeria after their training. Dr. Alausa concluded by lauding President Tinubu's achievements and expressing confidence in his continued positive impact.
Why can you not set up a school of nursing? Typically, the response you get back is that, oh, chairman, board members, it might be difficult. But the clear, simple, immediate response from Dr. Alimi then was that we would do it. When I heard that voice from his mouth, I thought I won a jackpot. I said, this man must not be aware. He must be crazy. He doesn't know what we're setting him up for. I thought it was going to be difficult, but weeks after, months after, as I got updated on the progress, it was a difficult work, but it made it so easy. And today, we're here. Thank you so much, Dr. Alimi. What happened is that people say good begets good. When you do good, it begets good. Today, what we did then, what Dr. Alimi and the entire staff, management of the National Orthopedic Hospital did then, we thought we were just doing it for Igbobi, but today, we're doing it for the entire country. This model, what we're doing today is what is being copied and replicated all across the country. Because National Orthopedic Hospital, when we started it, it became easier. It became easy to replicate. And I'm not saying this is not fake news. The Registrar of Nursing Council is here today to rebut whatever fact I'm telling you today. Before we came in as a government, the country was enrolling just 28,000 nurses annually all over the country. Today, we're enrolling over 68,000 nurses to our nursing schools all across the country. And before the end of the year, we will be enrolling over 100,000 students into our nursing schools. We need to give a lot of credit to our president, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, that has made this happen. Our president is a passionate supporter of the health sector in the country. He's supporting every other sector. But the president made a commitment to Nigeria that every single Nigerian must be entitled and will get meaningful and comprehensive health care. And the way to start that is to begin to expand, train nurses that will deliver this care to our citizens. And there's an international perception out there that Nigerian nurses are the better trained and the best trained nurses in the world. I commend the Registrar of the Nursing Council for your assiduous work. The nursing curriculum in Nigeria, the way the Registrar has structured the nursing curriculum in Nigeria, it's one of the best in the world. And I mean it. You don't get this kind of clear directional, longitudinal career progression in nursing like that you get in Nigeria in anywhere in the world. I've worked in America, I practice in America. America is meant to be the gold standard, but what we're seeing in terms of career, the structured nursing education in Nigeria today, it's nobody compares to what we have in Nigeria today. Let's give the registrar a round of applause. Let me also recognize the presence of the other Director Generals and Medical Directors that are here today, Professor Salako, Dr. Agbola, Dr. Weye. Thanks for your camaraderie, the support that you show each other. Thank you. And also the principal officers of the nursing school. Thanks for the hard work. It's easier to recreate than to start. What you've done here has been a human job, a phenomenal job. Thank you for taking that, for doing that hard work. Thank you so much. And let's give all the principal officers of the College of Nursing, Igbobi College, a big round of applause. I also want to commend the effort of the entire top management committee of the hospital. Thanks for all the support that you're giving the medical director. And Igbobi Hospital, now I was chairman, and now as a Minister of State for Health, I'm privy to more data. In terms of analytical data, organization data that we commissioned at the ministry, Igbobi stands out and it was #1. And this is, I'm telling you, objective data. So it's not only the medical director, it's collective responsibility. So I thank you for that. Members of the press, thanks for coming, distinguished ladies and gentlemen. Now, to the matriculating student today. I congratulate you for this phenomenal success, for being admitted to this prestigious nursing school, prestigious hospital. Your individual ability and hard work, those are the things that hand you the position you are in today. I don't want you to take it with levity. You've been working hard and you're now admitted to this nursing school. I want you to continue to work hard so that you can continue to excel in whatever you do. Now, the country is giving you a lot. There's a pervasive thing out there amongst you, your colleagues, and contemporaries all across the country. Don't just come here with the sole intent of finishing nursing school and traveling abroad. The country is investing so much in you. We believe in you. The president believes in you. The president is funding the entire health sector. We know the kind of remuneration that the healthcare workers and more so Nigerian workers are getting. It's not where the president wants it to be. The president is working hard, and let's go back 5 years back, 10 years back, 20 years back. This president has done so much for this country within 1 year compared to what any other president has done. Please, and he's going to do more. Please be patient. You will get the kind of respect, the remuneration that every single health worker is looking forward to getting. Oh, of course, the kind of remuneration you get will not be comparable to what nurses get in America, but you will get living wages that you'll be able to live a good life. But then, you have significant opportunity to enjoy your professional career, to rise, and more so, the fulfillment that you're serving your people, you're contributing to your society. Money cannot buy that. At some point in life, it's not going to be the amount of money that's in your pocket. It's about your fulfillment in life. What you wake up every day to go and do. And when you go to bed at night, you look at yourself, what have I done for the entire day? And if your answer then is that, oh, I think I've done enough good to the society, then you're very successful. Please, you have to bear with the government, bear with the president. I have no doubt, this is an unequivocal doubt, our country is on the right trajectory and we're beginning to move in the right direction, and there's light at the end of the tunnel. It's not a long tunnel, it's a short tunnel. I congratulate you and your parents that have invested money, time, emotion to get you here to where you are today. I congratulate your parents. Please, every one of you, rise up and in unison say thank you, my mother, thank you, my father, and thank you, my entire family. Please rise. And in one unison, please, and your entire family. The government will provide you all the necessary support, all the nourishment, all the support that you need to finish your school and do well in life. You can be rest assured that this government is a caring government. Dr. Alimi, about your request about infrastructure support, we will do everything to make sure you get it. We will have a hospital training, admitting 600 students.
The ceremony marks the beginning of a promising journey for the new students set to become the future of Nigeria's healthcare system. Reporting for Eco Blog, this is Lydia Ajayi.
Nurses are trained to care for patients, to care for Nigerians, to care for individuals and families. But somehow, the situation in the country, especially the socio-economic situation in Nigeria, every Nigerian is tensed up. So when they are now sick, it's additional burden. And when they get to the hospital, nurses are also human beings. And the ratio of a nurse to patients is supposed to be ratio 1:6 for admitted patients. And for community service, it's supposed to be ratio 1 nurse to 250 population. But you can imagine what we have right now. What do we have? We have a ratio of 1 nurse to almost 1,500. So what miracle can that nurse perform? I'm not supporting the aspect that nurses should be rude to patients. Neither am I saying that nurses should not do their work. But I just want the public also to believe that nurses are humans and we should not beat them up. Rather, we should also ensure that we support them.
The government led by President Bola Ahmed Tinubu is doing a lot of great things for our country. And like I said, we just have to be patient. This president understands the pains of Nigeria, and trust me, he's giving all these pains are the thing that is giving the president sleepless night. He wants every Nigerian to lead a good, decent, and productive life. And that's why this president is taking the bull by the horn in confronting the issue of minimum wage like it has never been confronted before in our country. The president is personally involved in all the deliberations. It's been briefed multiple times a day as this conversation is going along with the labor union on increasing the minimum wage in the country. More importantly, for the entire workers in the country, but for the healthcare sector. And that's why I told the matriculating nursing student today that there's hope. Our country is on the right trajectory. This president is working hard and is going to fix this country. And we're already seeing dividends of the president's hard work. I said it, I'm saying it clearly again, our healthcare workers, the welfare package for them, it's of utmost priority to this administration, and they will get good deal into the future. They just have to be patient. I'm telling you objective, verifiable data. When we came in as a government, we were enrolling just about 28,000 nursing students across all our nursing training institutions in the country. Today, we're enrolling 68,000 nursing students annually in all our nursing training institutions in the country. And before the end of the year, we will be enrolling over 100,000 students. We've rejigged the way we've expanded our training institution. We've added more to it. We're bringing new one on stream as well. And the existing one, we expanded the capacity. The Nursing Council, the Registrar of Nursing Council has been working so hard and working with us in our expansion strategy so that we're leveraging a large population to produce more human resource for health for our large population. This is what the president wants. This is what the president has mandated us to do, and that's what we're doing. Also, beyond expanding our capacity in nursing, in training nurses, we've also expanded our capacity in all specialties of medicine. As you've heard, we've doubled the number of enrollment into medical schools, pharmacy school, medical laboratory sciences school, all health-related fields. We've doubled and tripled in some instances the admission. These students to finish, to graduate, but we're also trying to improve the welfare packages where we can retain the existing healthcare professionals in the system so that they can continue to serve our citizens and serve our country. No, but there's dignity, there's fulfillment in serving your country. This country has invested and is investing so much in a lot of millions, tens of millions of our young citizens. Students matriculating today will get free education. This afternoon, we'll be commissioning hostel accommodation for them. We're building more. Government is investing. We're taking care of them. You have to also serve. There has to be commitment. Loyalty should be mutual. The government is loyal to you. You should also be loyal to your country. Am I oblivious of the fact that the welfare packages they're getting is not adequate? Yeah, no, I'm not. And that's why the president of the country also is not oblivious of this fact. The president has taken it head on. We're talking about minimum wage, that now the way this president is working on expanding the minimum wage is not been done before. Please, this government is only 1 year. Look at what this president has done, a lot of positive, good things. And where the light at the end of the tunnel is not too far. Give this president some time, be patient. Things are going to get better. Things are already getting better. So we're asking for patience here. And the patience we're asking for, we're not asking you 10 years, 20 years. Things in months to come, 1, 2 years to come, things will be objectively better. This president is determined to lift many more Nigeria into middle class. He's done it before. You see what he's done in Lagos. And this president is working so hard to move our country forward. So I understand I share people's concern, but give us time. And the time we're asking for, it's not eternal. We're asking for just short term. Things will get better. I have no doubt about it. And things are already getting better. This president is working, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu is working day and night for every single Nigerian.